Hey folks, Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property here again at Bonita National Golf and Country Club, and today we are going to preview the Bay Creek model. It's a coach home here at Bonita National by Lennar Homes. It's an upstairs unit, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2,110 square foot. Comes with a 2.5 car garage. The half car, one side is tandem. Fits 2 cars nicely and a golf cart as well. And the Bay Creek is going to have this nice entryway right in the front of the building. Beautiful stonework on the exterior, and then you're going to land here on this little terrace area. As you come into the model, you've got your stairs going up, and you've got your stairs going down to your garage, and also your storage area, which is right here underneath the stairwell. Nice size little space for storage, wraps all the way around back there. And then directly across is your garage. And you can see where you have plenty of room here for 2 cars, maybe even a third depending on the size. And this side here being tandem. Now let's go upstairs. Take a look here at this beautiful model that Lennar has put together. They've updated the coach home floor plans to really be an open, great room design. As you walk upstairs, you can see everything is open. The dining room, the kitchen, the living space. Really a beautiful setting here. This fabulous, fabulous, fabulous open design. And they've changed the interior as well. You now have white cabinets as opposed to dark. You have a lighter quartz countertop. You still get the everything style included package with Lennar. Full appliance package. Includes the washer dryer. You also get crown molding. You're also going to get the tile on the diagonal like you see here. But today let's go ahead and start over here in the guest wing, so to speak. You've got a nice little coat closet here at the top of your stairs. But back here off the coat closet, this is where you have your 2 guest bedrooms. They're really nice size. You can fit king size suites, no problem whatsoever. Really nice size room here for your guests. And then you also have a walk-in closet. And the other guest bedroom is really just as large. Right here they have it furnished with a king suite. And lots of light with these big windows. You also have the walk-in closet as well. Then you have a guest bath here for these 2 bedrooms along with the rest of the household here. You're going to have your tub shower combination there, linen closet, commode, your single sink vanity here as well with mirror. Really a nice size bathroom, and directly across is your indoor laundry. And again, washer and dryer is included as part of the package here with Lennar. Now going directly across the great room area, we're going to come into a really nice size master suite. This is your master bedroom here. That's a king size bed. Fits very comfortably. Lots of light in here with the big windows. And also you do have a sliding glass door that takes you out to the Lanai area. The master is big enough to where you can see you have some extra seating in here as well. You get 2 really nice walk-in style closets. There's one there. And your second one here. It's really a nice size closet. And this leads you into your master bath here. Really nice size shower here. Oversized shower with the glass door. Really nice setup. Then you have split vanities. There's your first there. And your second. And then you have your enclosed commode as well. Nice pocketing door there. And the bathroom here also has a pocketing door right here to close yourself off for some privacy. And last but not least, we'll take a look at the Lanai here. Really nice size Lanai that they are including in this package here. So very comfortably fitting a 4-top table. This is a nice view here overlooking the water. And then on the other side of the Lanai, another seating area as well. Alright folks, so this is the Bay Creek model at Bonita National Golf and Country Club. Plenty of opportunities for these units, whether you're looking for a first or second floor coach home in Bonita National. This is a great community, great builder. Give me a call at 239-671-4046, 239-671-4046. You can also visit our website, bonitanationalcc.com, for all the latest and greatest news, property information, available resales. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property Group. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.